includes the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Albert, Franklin, Habersham, Hall, Park, and Stevens, and the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davie, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Polk, Moline, Rutherford, and Union, and the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Greenville, Greenwood, Lancaster, Lawrence, Newberry, Oconee, Dickens, Spartanburg, Union, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 347 has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Albert, Franklin, Habersham, Hall, Park, and Stevens, and the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davie, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Polk, Moline, Rutherford, and Union, and the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Greenville, Greenwood, Lancaster, Lawrence, Newberry, Oconee, Dickens, Spartanburg, Union, and York. Now located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Batesburg, Leesville to 9 miles northwest of Belvedere to Thompson McDuffie County Airport, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Aiken, North Augusta, Lexington, West Columbia, Casey, Grovetown, Irmo, Evans, Forest Acres, Thompson, Batesburg, Leesville, Oak Grove, Fort Eisenhower, St. Andrews, Aiken Mall, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Belvedere, Dentsville, and Augusta. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in Georgia between mile markers 167 and 201. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 0 and 81. Interstate 26 between mile markers 96 and 118. Interstate Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in central South Carolina, northeastern Barnwell County in central South Carolina, southeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, central Aiken County in central South Carolina, northwestern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Columbia Metro Airport to 7 miles northeast of Aiken State Park to near Clearwater, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Aiken, North Augusta, West Columbia, Orangeburg, Casey, Aiken Mall, Oak Grove, McIntyre Air Base, Clearwater, Brookdale, Red Bank, Belvedere, Williston, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, New Allenton, St. Matthews, Gaston, and Eastover. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 110 and 149. Interstate 520 in South Carolina between mile markers 17 and 20. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 10. and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central to west central Virginia. The thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania, Virginia.
Western Johnston County, southeastern Chatham County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sanford, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Millington, Garner, Fuquay Varina, Dunn, Antier, Goldston, Holly Springs, Irwin, and Coates. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Harnett, Johnson, Lee, Moore, and Wake. Here
a tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Lancaster and northwestern Chesterfield counties. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Buford, or 8 miles northeast of Lancaster, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Buford around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Camp Creek Fire Station, Taxahaw, Unity Fire Station, Arrowwood Estates, Tradesville, and High Point Fire Station. Take cover now. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to an interior room or closet on the lowest floor of a sturdy building immediately. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lancaster, South Carolina. Suspected hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Orangeburg, Barnwell, Denver, Denmark, Brookdale, Riverside, Blackhill, Brainsville, Coleman, London College, South Carolina State University, Orangeburg County Airport, Barnwell State Park, Edisco Gardens, Gilda, Norway, Roseville, Bulla, Elko, and Cordova. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 153 and 168. Interstate 95 between mile markers 87 and 92. Includes the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Montgomery, Richmond, and State. conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 349 has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Montgomery, Richmond, and Stanley.